You might have been disappointed by the strength of fabric conditioners lately, and especially if you are someone shopping in bargain stores or loves to get a good deal on a fabric conditioner. I will tell you what is absolutely the best fabric conditioner to buy right now. It's no coincidence that I got Acevi in here right now, because at the moment, this is the best fabric conditioner probably in the universe your money can buy. They are a Spanish company, so their products are made in Spain as well. And this is my most favorite flavor. So if you go to stores like B&M or perhaps B&Q in the UK or some other bargain stores, you will most likely come across Acevi. And this Acevi Zen fabric conditioner sensation is perfect. If you want to make sure that your clothes smell properly after the wash, but maybe it's not just your clothes that smell marvelous, but maybe you want your entire flat to smell beautifully. And with this fabric conditioner, you will 100% achieve that. Infused with natural essences. It's for 60 washes, and the most important thing, it is concentrated. So this one at the moment retails at roughly £2.99, so £3 for 60 washes gets you a concentrated fabric conditioner that smells heavenly. Plus another thing that is important when choosing a high quality fabric conditioner, it doesn't clog the washing machine. And when it comes to this particular flavor, it's not too overpowering, but smells great out of the bottle as well as on your clothes after you are done with the laundry, basically. So then we got another product in here, and this product is basically, as you can see, a laundry detergent. And what I like about this laundry detergent, it's white in color, very creamy, and smells of a cotton fragrance. And I like to buy this one because normally I like to go with a slightly cheaper fabric conditioner for my whites, and this is a great value on money. This costs around £4 to £5 on average. This huge bottle, you got 44 washes, and I love how soft it is. And I could clearly see when I switched to this brand how soft my whites are, how soft my underwear is. So this laundry detergent makes a huge difference. It's very creamy, it's not overpowering, but it has that light sort of cotton natural fragrance. You know, with some cotton fragrances, they can be quite overpowering or they can smell cheap. This smells just right, okay? I can reassure you. So there's another thing if you are looking for a kind to sensitive skin laundry detergent, okay? But leave your clothes very soft. And this is the brand that will do it for you. And recently it's becoming very popular here in the UK, so I do recommend them. I do recommend them both colored or blacks. This detergent is compatible with both whites and colored clothes. However, I can make a whole entirely separate video on that topic, especially if you are worried about preserving colored clothes, make sure they do not fade over time, etc, etc. So in that particular video, we can look more into a sort of more high quality laundry detergents that will preserve the fibers. I ultimately like to take a good care of my clothes because I want to make sure that they last me a very good amount of time. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. You know me, I've been a Lenor fan, so I still use the concentrated outdoorable Lenor fabric detergents from time to time if I want to, change the smell. But Acevi is my go-to now because it is cheaper, I get more out of the bottle, and it's leaving my clothes smelling equally, if not better fresh. In terms of fabric conditioner, Lenor is on the top, but I think Acevi, this one is even higher. So if you want to get a Lenor quality fabric conditioner, go for this Acevi. And if you subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate your support, and I will see you in my next video because I enjoy doing this long form content. You guys, I'm growing really fast on TikTok, and I thought it's time to grow even faster on YouTube as well. So thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.